guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am cleaning my refrigerator off. It has gotten very junky over the past few months, and I have all the medication we use on top of the refrigerator. So here I'm just taking it off and I'm putting it in the bathroom. And here I'm just taking all the magnets off, everything, and just kind of decluttering the front of the refrigerator because it has gotten a little out of hand. Alright guys, so here I'm just taking all the cereal off from on top of the refrigerator, and I'm checking the dates, and just so happens most of the cereal had just went out of date a couple weeks or a week before this, so I was able to go ahead and throw all of that old cereal away and just start fresh. So it feels amazing, guys, to get all of this junk off the top of my refrigerator. Alright, so here I'm just using my method cleaner, and I'm going to be wiping down the entire top of the refrigerator. There was quite a bit of dust and just mess up there, and some of it was a little difficult to get off, so if you see me kind of go over one spot multiple times, that is why it would not come off. If any of y'all have kids, y'all will understand the fingerprints on the bottom of the refrigerator. So yeah, there was a ton of fingerprints that I had not even noticed before this video. Thank you guys for stopping by to watch this video. Please subscribe for more videos. I will be doing more declutter videos in the near future, so just keep watching. Thanks guys. Bye bye.